Hello everyone, this is the project that I've created as a part of the competition. So now before starting with the demonstration, let me tell you what were my intentions behind building the system. So now because of the rise of the internet, we see a lot of fake posts and articles revolving around the social media platforms regarding the healthcare system. And apart from that, most of the people nowadays, they instead of consulting it with the doctor, they straight away search online for the medicines and take those medicines without taking some opinion from the doctor. Most of these medicines do have some side effects which will um, harm the patient in the longer run. And now coming to the main point, that is the demonstration. So as we have groups on different social media platforms, this platform also have a group system. Like if a particular set of patients are suffering through a disease, then they will be assigned to that particular disease. Let's say we have groups like asthma, diarrhea, depression, and so on. So basically, the concept of grouping is because this will help the patients to first of all understand that they are not the only one undergoing through the particular disease, and this will help them to strengthen their their emotional strength. And because of this, they would be prepared for what all are the challenges that they are going to face. That is, the patients in the group can share their experiences, because of which the patients who are there in the initial phase can prepare for the worst case scenarios that they are going to face soon, or something like that. So this will eventually help each other in gaining in faster recovery. So this is the main reason behind building the system. So now let's just log in with the patient account. So the patient can write a query, can ask a query to the doctor, or he can share the experiences with the other group, with other members of the group as well, as to what are the phases of a particular disease and in which phase he is, uh, and all such questions and all such things. The second thing, okay, let's post a question first. So we have posted a question in the notification section. The patient will receive the notification regarding who has posted a new comment, who has posted a new question or experience, or who has commented on whose post, and so on. And the main thing about the post and the notifications is, if you are enrolled in that particular group, then only you will be able to see that notification or that particular question. If you are not enrolled, then you won't be able to see those posts or notifications. The post section indicates that the number of posts written by this logged in patient. Groups, basically it indicates the number of groups the patient is enrolled in. Now this patient is enrolled in all four of the groups which we have as of now. And one more thing, as soon as the patient comes for the first time, okay, let's just keep it for the afterwards. We do have a settings module wherein the patient can change his or her password and so on. Now let's just log out, and whenever a patient comes for the first time, enters the first time on our platform, he can check out different groups which are available. So now the description coming up is the description that is seen on the screen. It is coming up directly through the admin panel. So we have a text editor integrated into the admin panel. So this text editor allows the admin to properly format and explain what the disease actually is, what are the symptoms, and how it can be cured, and some few important articles or resources related to that particular disease. Now we have a doctor's account, doctor's login section as well. So now the special thing about doctor section is it is totally controlled by the admin, because because the doctors are the one who will be answering the queries of the patients. So we don't want any fake personality to enter into our system. So whenever the whenever doctor signs up, he will have to first of all fill in all the information. The certificate of the highest qualification like MD or MBBS or something like that, and the address of the clinic or the hospital where the doctor practices daily. So as soon as the doctor requests for sign up, the query will be received by the admin over here. The admin can review the certificate which is uploaded, and if everything is fine, then he can just assign the doctor a particular group, let's say depression in this case. And now even though he's assigned the doctor is assigned a group, he won't be able to log in. Why? Because his account is not yet activated. So let's just try to log in the doctor with with same credentials. So he won't be able to log in now. So for the doctor to log in, the account needs to be activated by the admin. This is done so as to restrict some fake personality entering into our system, because the doctors are the one who will be answering the queries, and if the doctors start posting some fake news or articles, then it would be really difficult for the patients. And now if we log in, the doctor will now be able to check out different sections which are available to him. So the doctor will also be able to write a post because if the doctor can share some useful tips with the patients in the group and so on. The doctor can even ask queries who like if he needs some kind of a statistics like how many patients are in the initial stage, some intermediate stage, and so on. There are no notifications as of now. The doctor will be able to see the questions which are posted. Okay. So basically, there can be more than one doctors present for a particular group. Like in this case, we have two doctors for this group, because if there are more number of patients, it would be really difficult for for a single doctor to answer all the queries. So we can divide the number of queries. The doctors can themselves divide the number of queries and try to solve the queries of each and every patient. So this is the post section which we don't have, the post is not available because we haven't written any kind of a post. Now this post is available over here because it is posted by us, by the doctor who is logged in, and we do have a statistics kind of a thing wherein it will show the number of questions which are answered by the doctors in the past 10 days. So we have the statistics overall because sometimes a doctor can be assigned to multiple groups. So in that case, we do have overall as well as category wise distribution and so on. And then we have settings wherein the doctor will be able to change the password and normal stuff and log out. Now, apart from these two entities, we also have businesses, because we also want to promote the local businesses which are related to medicines, obviously, because let's take an example of the COVID period now. There are most of the medicines are not available at all the places, so we also want some businesses enrolled with us. So